Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pirai Academy. In the series of Zoho interview question, today we are going to see about a question called twisted prime number. Given the number n, check whether the n is a twisted prime number or not. Note, a number is called twisted prime if it is a prime and also its reverse should be a prime. Okay, for example, 97. 97 and 79 both are prime, so we will be returning the answer as 1. If it is 43, 43 is a prime, but 34 is not a prime. So you'll be returning an answer as 0. Fine. So how to do this? So here there are two steps involved. One is we want to check whether the given number is prime number or not. And also we want to reverse the given number and again check whether it is a prime number or not. So two logics are inside this question. Okay. First, we can see a simple logic called the reversing. Okay. How to reverse a number? If there is a number like 134, then if I reverse it, it will be 431. Okay, let us see how to do this. Initially, I will be taking my result. Okay, result as 0 initially. Fine. Now I will be taking this 134 and I will be doing a mod operation with 10 to get this last digit, because this last digit will be my first digit of the resultant. Right? So I want to get this last digit. Okay. I will be getting this last digit. Now what should I do? I should multiply this result with 10 plus what is the answer I got here? It is 4. So plus 4, which is equal to 4 will be my initial result. Okay. Now I want to get rid of this 4. Why? Because this 4 is added in my result. Now it's time to go with this 3. How to do this? We just make 134 divided by 10, which is equal to just 13. Okay, now do the same step again. 13 mod 10, which is equal to 3. Now again make this into 10 plus 3, which is equal to 43. Now hope you understand why we are multiplying with 10. Because from 1's place, then we are going to 10's place. What is the difference? It will be 10. Multiply with 10. Again, if I multiply with 10, it will be going to the 100th place. Then 1000, then 10,000. So that we are just multiplying with 10 and adding the remainder. That's it. Okay, again do. So 13 divided by 10, which is equal to 1. Okay, and again 1 mod 10, which is equal to 1. Again put into 10 plus 1, which is equal to 431. Now again, after this step, put 1 divided by 10, which is equal to 0. So stop here because our answer is what? 0. So stop here. So at this time, I can say I have a reversed number of the given number. Okay. Now we want to go with the next logic. It is what? A prime number. Okay, how to find whether the given number is prime or not? Okay, so what is mean by prime number? It doesn't have a factors except 1 and itself. It's a prime number, right? So for example, 7, 11. Okay, so 7, in 7, apart from 7 and 1, there are no factors or no numbers that can divide that 7, right? 2 cannot divide, 3 cannot divide, right? Okay, for example, here it is 13, right? So for this 13, how many numbers should I check? I should check up to square root numbers. Okay, what is the square root of 13? It will be something like 3 point something, right? So we want to take 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So let me take 2 and 3. Whether this 2 can divide this 13 completely? No. Whether this 3 can? No. So we don't have any factors for this 13 except 1 and 13. So it will be my prime number. Now you may ask why it is square root of any numbers. Okay, let me explain that. For example, let me take 8, 12 and 16. Okay, now what are the factors of this 8? It will be 1, 2, then 4. Then 8. Okay, these are the factors. Now for 12, what are the factors? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and then 12, right? Okay, now for this 16, what are the factors? 1, 4 and 16. These are the 2, 8. So these are the factors, right? Now just listen this carefully. This is an important note. Up to this I can say 1 and 2. These are the factors, or these are the 1/2 of the factors, because when I am dividing 8 by 1, it will result to 8. When I am dividing 8 by 2, it will result to 4. Okay. Similarly, here also this 1/2 will be the factors that will determine what is the next rest factors, because 12 divided by 1 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6, 12 divided by 3 is 4, right? Similarly, here also 1, 2, 4. Okay, these are the factors that are determining the other two factors, because the 16 is perfect square, so that this 4 will be repeating twice. Okay, so from this I can say it is unnecessary to go beyond the square root of any numbers, because what is the 12 square root? It will be 3 point something, so you can go up to 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is square root of 8? It will be 2 point something, so I can go up to 1 and 2. Can you hope you understand this clearly, right? So this is why we are just going up to what? Square root of the number. Okay, similarly, so we have just done this two logics. Now by using these two logics, first I am just checking whether this 13 is a prime number. Then using this reverse logic, I will be reversing this 13 to 31 and checking whether this 31 is a prime number or not. If these both are a prime number, then I will return 1, else I will return 0. So what is the time complexity? So time complexity will be O of, so I'm just reversing, right? For reversing, it will be log of n base 10. So it will be very small, plus now prime number logic. If I want to find anything is a prime number or not, I go up to what? Square root of that number, right? So it will be maximum of the square root of the given number, or else whether this can be the maximum, or else I will take the maximum among the square root of n and also square root of reverse of n. Okay, so this will be my time complexity. And what is my space complexity? It will be O of 1, because we haven't taken any auxiliary space. Fine, hope you understand this solution, right? Let us go with the coding part so that it will be more clear. So Java is preferable for Zoho. Okay, fine. Here, first I am just writing the logic for prime number or not. I will be passing a number as a parameter and check whether it is a prime number or not. So first of all, if number is equal to 1, then I will be returning 0, which means 1 is not a prime number, right? So we should be careful for that edge case. That's why I am returning this 0. And for int I is equal to 2, I is less than method or square root of that number, colon I plus plus. Okay, now I am just iterating from 2 to the square root of that number. Okay, similarly I have done here for 13, right? For 13 I just gone with 2 and 3, because the square root of 13 is 3 point something, so I will go up to 3. So from 2 to 3, fine. So that's what I am just putting here. Now if number mod I is equal to 0, then I will be returning 0, which means it is not a prime number. If not, I will be returning 1. Fine. Now coming to the main function. Here I will be storing n value in a temporary variable. I will be telling you why. So see here, int reverse is equal to 0. Now while the this temporary variable is greater than 0, what should I do? First I want to take the remainder by using a mod with 10. Then I will be taking the reverse into 10 plus rem as a reverse, and temporary divided by is equal to 10, which means I am get rid of the last, that ones place. Okay, when I am completing this entire loop, this temporary variable will be what? 0. Okay, now you will be understanding why I have just stored this n into this temporary variable and used that temporary variable inside this loop. Okay, if I am not using this temporary variable, this n will be leading to 0, and we cannot check whether n is prime or not. That's why I am just using a temporary variable here. Now return is prime of the given number bitwise AND. What is the bitwise AND? If both the conditions are 1, if both integers are 1, then it will be returning 1. If any one of them is 0, then it will be returning 0. That's it. So and is prime of the reversed number. So I am just returning the both the reversed and the given number are prime or not. Fine, let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. To know about these kinds of algorithm and all this stuff, just continue watching my YouTube channel. If you really like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And in this playlist, I'm just continuing with Zoho interview questions. So just go and watch the entire playlist. Thank you.